What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Dodge Charger remote key fob. This key fob is going to be for the SRT versions or the Hellcat versions of the Dodge Charger, and it's going to use replacement battery CR2032. I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using to change this key fob battery is a flathead screwdriver. The first thing I'm going to do is grab my key fob and remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of it. That's done by pressing this release on the back of the fob that my thumb's on, and the emergency key will pull out like that. We'll just set that to the side. Now if we hold our key fob with the buttons facing down and we take a look at the bottom of it, this slot right here is where that emergency key slid out of. And then just below that we see this slot right here that I'm touching with the end of the screwdriver. What I'm going to do is take my screwdriver and put it in that slot. Then I'm just going to twist the screwdriver like I'm opening a lock with a key. And as I do that, you can see it starts to open the case. I'll come over here and kind of do the same thing. Once it's far enough apart, you can just pull it the rest of the way apart with your hands like that. The back half of the case, we see our battery right here. I'll use my screwdriver to get under the edge of the battery and pop it out of that little holder. I'm going to grab my new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing that with the plus side down, positive side down. And I'm going to tuck this edge in first by this metal battery clip. So tuck that edge in first like that, and then snap it down into place. Then we can snap the two halves back together, slide our emergency key back in, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.